Hello, my name is Tin. I am traveling with my family and we are currently based in East Asia. And today I'm going to give you a tour of our apartment that we rented through Airbnb here in Kaohsiung, Taiwan. Before we get started, quick disclaimer, all of the stuffed toys you'll see in this video belongs to us and are not included with the apartment. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment with a full kitchen. We pay about 34,700 NTD or roughly 1,100 USD per month. We rented this place for 3 months and that includes all utilities, like electricity, gas, and water. One thing we really appreciate is that our host comes by once a month to change the bed linens and replace the bath towels. Although to be honest, I usually wash the towels myself every week. During those visits, the host also brings essentials like paper towels, toilet paper, and some cleaning supplies whenever we need them. And now let's start the tour. So as soon as you walk in, you're greeted with this spacious living and dining area. This is where we spend most of our time together as a family. There's a dining table that seats 4 people and a large couch where you can relax, watch TV or simply enjoy the view outside of the window. From the living room window, you can actually see the Lotus Pond, which is one of Kaohsiung's most popular tourist attractions. It's only about 750 meters from the apartment. There's also a small park right below the building and across the street where we usually take our son to play. Another thing that we like about this location is how convenient it is. There's a traditional or wet market about a 10-minute walk away, and the Zooying station is only around 400 meters from here. There are also convenience stores nearby, including Family Mart. If you don't feel like going out at all, ordering groceries or food delivery here in Taiwan is super easy. We usually use Uber Eats or Food Panda. And now let's go to the master's bedroom. So as soon as you enter, you'll find the bathroom on the left. It's pretty standard with a sink, shower, and toilet. But there's one feature in this bathroom that we were so happy to discover, a bidet. The funny thing is that the host never mentioned it in the listing, so it was a nice surprise when we arrived. If you're a bidet person like we are, you'll understand why that's a big deal. Moving into the bedroom itself, you'll find a queen-size bed and plenty of space to move around. There's also a vanity table that my husband has turned into a makeshift workspace since the apartment doesn't have a dedicated desk. Sometimes you just have to work with what you've got. From this room, you can also see both the freeway and the Lotus Pond. And now let's check out the second bedroom. So just like the master's bedroom, it has its own bathroom with a shower, sink, toilet, and yes, a bidet. The room comes with a queen-sized bed and a TV, which is perfect if you want to relax and watch Netflix after a long day of exploring. The TV also comes with cable, so there are plenty of channels to choose from. But one thing to note is that this room faces the freeway. Because of that, it can get a little noisy, especially during, rush hours. If you're a light sleeper like me, that might be something to consider. Personally, I prefer the master's bedroom. My son, however, couldn't care less and happily sleeps in this room. And now let's head over to the kitchen. So the kitchen is in between the 2 bedrooms. So this is a full-size kitchen with a large fridge, a 2-burner gas stove, a toaster oven, a water heater, and a water filtration system. Having the water filter is really convenient because we don't need to buy, bottled drinking water. And the host also provided some kitchen basic essentials including pots, plates, utensils, knives, chopsticks, and some cleaning supplies. This is also where we sort out our trash. If you've ever been to Japan, the system is very similar. We separate burnable trash, plastics, metals, and glass before taking everything downstairs to the trash collection area on the first floor. From the kitchen, there's a door adjacent to the balcony. There is a washing machine, a drying rack to hang our clothes to dry. Also, the view from the balcony is amazing, especially during nighttime. You can see some of Kaohsiung skyline. also the Monkey Mountain and the Lotus Pond. You know, we usually just stay here just to get some fresh air or just to look at the cars that's passing by through the freeway. I will show you guys the view from the balcony at the end of the video, and there's one thing that I have to mention is that this Airbnb looks exactly, you know, like the photos in the listing. Honestly, that's not always the case when you're booking accommodations, so it was a pleasant surprise for us. And everything was very clean, you know, when we arrived, which we really appreciated. Sometimes listings can look quite different from the pictures, you know, online, but that definitely wasn't the case here. The apartment also comes with air conditioning unit in every room except the kitchen, and the building has 24-hour security, which, you know, gives us extra peace of mind. Would you rent this apartment? Let me know in the comment section below, and thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in slow travel, family travel, and world schooling, make sure to subscribe and follow along for more adventures. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!